Hi there, this is Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and I have another card kit for you today. I believe this is card kit number 9. It looks like this. Isn't it pretty? Very simple, you write whatever you want. It uses the Very Versailles stamp set, the Butterfly Gala stamp set, and then the coordinating duet punch. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with my butterflies and the inside of my card. So we're going to bring in the Pierce mat because we're going to stamp with the photopolymer stamp set. And we'll need, I'm going to take that and put them there for later, the butterflies and the bodies. And I'm going to just set those on a block. Whoop, it's sticking to my thumb. And then we can, oh, and the words, and hello beautiful, and this here. Okay. So since I have the hello beautiful in my hand, let's check out the card kit. So it looks like this. Let's see, get everything out of the envelope. Yes, I did. So it has the card base, which is thick white cardstock, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. There's a piece of basic black that is 3 3/4 by 5. The piece of Whisper White that layers on that is just 1/8 of an inch smaller. So it would be 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. 3 5/8. A scrap of Whisper White, and then I took the oval framelits and cut out an oval and of the white and the coordinating black scalloped. So we'll start with the, whoop, got stamps of flying here. Okay, ink up my hello beautiful. There's a little black speck on my paper. Well, not anymore. And just stamp my hello beautiful down there in the center. We'll set that aside to dry. Maybe. See, slick. And then let's do the butterfly. So I'm going to mount him straight first of all. The cool thing about the photopolymer stamp sets, let me put this away, I think you can see better on the lighter background, is that they're see-through, so you can see, and I only want on the inside of my card that big butterfly, so I'm gonna take and only ink up, I hope you can, oh, and I got a little bit on, of course on the video I get the little bit of ink on the little one, but there we go, ink him up. He looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna set him on my Pierce mat here and just stamp that really pretty butterfly right there. Okay. Then on my scrap paper, now I'm gonna ink up both butterflies. And stamp that down on my scrap paper here. And then bring in those bodies. We'll start with the big body first. And you know what? No, I'm not going to stamp the big body in there. Wasn't thinking. I want to stamp the big body here because it doesn't make a difference. But I want to punch these two out before I stamp the bodies. It's a lot easier to line the body of the butterfly up if you have them punched out first. Line them up so they're both... Okay, I have to turn it so I can see it better. Couldn't see it when it was not facing me. Okay, now you can see where you want the body stamped on the butterfly. So a big body there. Bring in that little tiny body for the little tiny butterfly. And stamp it right there. Now we have our butterflies. I'm gonna set those aside to kind of dry. And now we're gonna stamp with the Very Versailles stamp set. And those are red rubber, so I don't need my Pierce mat anymore. And I'm gonna bring in my card base here. Ink up first this word background thingy here. I'm going to do about a little bit above centered. and a little bit to the left. Let that ink sink in nice and good. Ooh, nice. And then bring in the stems or leaves or whatever the heck this pretty part is. Oh, I stamped my thumb. Nice. Then I wonder how I get black smudges on my cards. That's because you stamp on your thumb. Ink up my thumb right along with that stamp set. Just joking. We're going to stamp this. I did get a black smudge on my card here. Now, normally I would turn it over, but I think since it's all good. There, and so I'm gonna let that aside, leave that aside to dry. Not for long because we have lots to do. Fold my card space in half. Let me move these out of the way. There, now I have room to work. There, I bet you my hello. Try bring in some snail. Put that together there. Bring in my card front. I'm gonna adhere this to the basic black piece. Turn them over. Allowing this one just has a really thin border there. Oh, and hopefully you can get yours on. Well, no, it's pretty straight. And then some dimensionals, and don't tell me, oh, here they are. I just set them on the wrong side of my table. They should go on this side in my bucket, but I found them. Yay. Oh, I get excited there and put two there. One there. One there. So if you're interested in buying card kits, I sell my card kits $3 each. If you buy 4 or more, I take them down to $2.50 each, and then plus shipping. And I try to ship from my husband's office instead of the post office, so it's a little bit cheaper that way. Oh, and look at that's upside down. Nice. You ever do that? I guess. Phew, good thing I caught that before. Okay, a little dimensionals on here. You can just leave a comment below, or you can email me, and I we'll figure out what you need and which cards you like. Like I said, there's 9 right now on my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm gonna take my bone folder and just curve my butterfly wings just a little bit. I don't want them too curvy. I guess curvy, is that the word? Yeah, I can't even think of a better word right now. We were lucky I was able to say the name of the stamp set, Versailles. I had to look it up on Google Translate because I didn't know how to pronounce this word right here, but it's Google Versailles. Okay, it's not Google Versailles. Oh my. Okay, then with just a simple glue dot, I'm gonna take my little butterfly here and put it on the bottom wing, and then just set that right there. There you go. Fast and simple. Cute, huh? Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.